The enchanting beauty of Hollywood, Emma Watson, said, "Don't feel stupid if you don't like what everyone else pretends to love. This is not girls are better than boys. This is just everyone deserves a fair chance." The less you reveal, the more people can wonder. I'm a human being, and perfect human being who is not made to look like a doll. Wearing unbranded and cheap clothes doesn't mean you are poor. Remember, you have a family to feed, not a community to impress. If you truly pour your heart into what you believe in, even if it makes you vulnerable, amazing things can and will happen. You are not going to fall for the right person until you love yourself and feel good about how you are. I don't want other people to decide who I am. I want to decide that for myself. The saddest thing for a girl to do is to dump herself down for a guy. What gets scary is when your self-worth is tied up in what strangers think of you. I have probably earned the right to screw up a few times. I don't want fear of failure to stop me doing what I really care about. I have always been like that. I give 100%. I can't do it any other way. I truly believe that beauty is something that comes from within. We really damage our own confidence when we put ourselves down, so I try not to. Girls should never be afraid to be smart. All I can do is follow my instincts because I'll never please everyone. As much as someone can tell you things, you have to go out there and make your own mistakes in order to learn. I'm going to do what I want to do. I'm going to be who I really am. I'm going to figure out what that is. Becoming yourself is really hard and confusing, and it's a process. It's often not cool to be the person who put themselves out there. I don't have perfect teeth. I'm not stick thin. I want to be the person who feels great in her body and can say that she loves it and doesn't want to change anything. There is nothing interesting about looking perfect. You lose the point. You want what you are wearing to say something about you, about who you are. We have unbelievably high expectations of ourselves when actually we are human beings and our bodies have a function. Both men and women should feel free to be sensitive. Both men and women should feel free to be strong. If men don't have to be aggressive to be accepted, women won't feel compelled to be submissive.